of nicotine water system. Here 100% water and here 100% nicotine. They here represent the increase percentage of weight of nicotine towards 100%. Here y-axis represented by the temperature. In nicotine water system, we know that there is a two critical solution temperature. So first we have to heat the nicotine water system up to 210 degrees Celsius. Up to 200 degrees Celsius, there is two phase that the partially miscible system, but at 208 degrees Celsius, the partially miscible system turns into a completely miscible one. So then we have to cool the solution. Then it's also turn out into the partially miscible one. At the 61 degrees Celsius, again the system forms the completely miscible solution at 61 degrees Celsius. At the degree Celsius, the percentage of nicotine is 22 degrees Celsius. So from the phase diagram of nicotine water system, there is a two phase of critical solution. One is upper, another one is lower. The upper critical solution temperature is 208 degrees Celsius at 32 percentage of weight of nicotine. And at 61 degree Celsius, there is a lower critical solution temperature of 22 percentage of nicotine.